Cats are known for their complex and sometimes puzzling behaviors, and one of the most perplexing actions they can display is hissing at seemingly nothing. A cat that hisses at an empty room, a corner of the house, or a spot on the floor can leave its owner confused and concerned. Hissing, a vocalization that is typically associated with fear, aggression, or discomfort, is one of the most primal forms of communication for cats. It's an instinctual response designed to ward off perceived threats or signal distress, but when a cat appears to hiss at nothing, it raises the question of what might be causing this behavior. One possible explanation for this odd hissing is that the cat's senses are detecting something that humans cannot perceive. Cats have highly developed senses, particularly their sense of hearing and smell, which are far superior to those of humans. They can hear high-frequency sounds that are inaudible to us, and they are also sensitive to subtle changes in their environment, such as vibrations or air currents. A cat might hiss in response to an unfamiliar or invisible stimulus that it perceives but that is outside the range of human perception. This could include the presence of a small insect, a rodent, or even a sound from outside that the cat interprets as a potential threat. Another possibility is that the cat's hissing is a reaction to something it finds unsettling but cannot fully identify. For example, a cat might hiss in response to a shadow or reflection that causes it to feel uneasy. Cats are often sensitive to visual stimuli, and sudden changes in light or the appearance of unfamiliar objects can cause them to react defensively. In some cases, cats may also hiss at objects or areas in their home that they associate with negative experiences, even if those experiences are not immediately apparent to the owner. This could include a spot where the cat was previously frightened by a loud noise or a place where it encountered an unpleasant smell. Cats can be creatures of habit and may become fixated on certain areas or objects, reacting to them in a way that seems irrational to humans. It is also possible that a cat's hissing at nothing is a manifestation of stress or anxiety. Cats, particularly those that are shy or nervous, may hiss when they feel threatened or overwhelmed, even in the absence of an obvious external threat. Changes in their environment, such as the introduction of new people, pets, or furniture, can trigger this type of response. In these cases, the hissing is a defensive reaction to the perceived stressor, even if the cat is not able to pinpoint the exact source of its anxiety. Cats are creatures of routine, and disruptions to their environment can lead to feelings of insecurity and unease. Furthermore, some cats may hiss at nothing as a result of a medical issue or discomfort. Cats are skilled at hiding their pain, and a cat that is feeling unwell may hiss as a way of expressing its discomfort or distress. This can be particularly true if the cat has an injury, is experiencing gastrointestinal issues, or has a condition that affects its mood or behavior. A cat in pain may hiss at an empty space or seem to be reacting to something invisible because its discomfort is causing it to feel vulnerable and defensive. It's also important to consider the possibility of a cat engaging in a type of play behavior that is not immediately obvious to its human owner. Cats, especially young kittens, can be highly energetic and playful, often pouncing at imaginary prey or engaging in what appears to be random behavior. In some cases, a cat might hiss at a spot in the air or at a corner of the room simply because it is entertaining itself by interacting with invisible objects or hunting in its environment. This play behavior is a normal part of a cat's development and may involve making vocalizations such as hissing, growling, or chirping. Lastly, it's important to remember that hissing can sometimes be a form of communication. While it is often used as a warning signal in response to threats, cats may also use hissing as a way of expressing their emotions, particularly when they feel threatened or anxious. If a cat is in a new or unfamiliar environment, it might hiss at nothing simply because it feels out of place and is reacting to the unknown. Similarly, if the cat has recently encountered a stressful situation or experienced a change in its routine, the hissing may be a response to the emotional upheaval. In conclusion, when a cat hisses at nothing, it is usually a response to something that it perceives but that may not be immediately obvious to its human companions. Whether due to heightened sensory perception, stress, anxiety, pain, or playful behavior, the hissing serves as a form of communication that signals discomfort or unease. It is important for cat owners to pay attention to the context in which the hissing occurs and to consider any changes in the cat's environment or health that might be contributing to the behavior. While it can be puzzling to witness, a cat hissing at nothing is often an expression of its instinctual response to a perceived threat or discomfort, and understanding the underlying cause can help owners better respond to their pet's needs.